Yeah, people, it
Yes,
come on.
Brother Bennett and Dexter need. This is this. What do you call it, Brother Bennett? And I call it couscous. This is a potato pudding. So I put about 5 pounds of sweet potato, pick of flour, cornmeal.
Yeah.
What I'm taking out now,
Ashes.
we're gonna go on top.
Okay, okay.
On top of the pot.
Yeah. Is it?
The zinc.
Yeah.
We go on top. So, then
First time people call it hallelujah.
hallelujah. Ela top, ela middle. Hallelujah. Ela top, ela bottom. Hallelujah in the middle.
Yeah.
Hallelujah in the middle.
Yeah, I think now.
This is the butter.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to use the butter to grease the pot. Because without using butter to grease the pot, when it bakes, it cannot come out of the pot. So you have to use this
Okay.
to grease the pot. Understand? So
Yeah.
when a person baking, you have to use the butter. You have to, if you don't have any butter, you use coconut oil. But you have to use some farmer grease. That's when you something throwing it, when it's finished bake, you can get it out.
Okay.
Because without the butter and you throw the mixture into it,
Yeah.
it cannot come out.
Oh, it's all fast.
Yeah. You have to have the grease. And make sure when you put the grease into it, the grease you have to make sure you know say right on the pot.
Okay.
Right on the container,
Yeah.
have the grease. Because when you throw it in there, you don't know how far up the mixture will come.
Yeah.
You have to know
Oh, so you
so
have to put it, grease it good.
you have to grease it. Make sure you know so right on the pot grease. Well, this, I think this supposed to okay
Okay.
at this point, so I'm going to take it now. This now, I go from this side here.
Okay, this is the ingredients. This is the ingredients. So I have to make sure that everything combined together. Yeah, so
Now get this spoon.
okay. So Brother Bennett, please help me with the spoon, or the spoon for me. So Brother Bennett,
Well, this
he
one,
is one of my deacon in the church, and he's also my chef.
so this one. So now when this ready now,
Let me just
so you have to take out some of the coal. So you have to take out now some of the coal out of the stove and put it on the zinc. Yeah.
Yeah, people. Real Jamaica style.
Brother Bennett, here is his spoon.
Take out some of the coal. You use the iron and cut up the pot like this, and then
Here's the pot, the ingredients.
here's the pot now with the ingredients, and you're gonna put on the pot on it now. Yeah. And then now
Wait, put on the lid.
you put on the leaf first. Put on the leaf first. And then now you put on the pot. You put on the fire
Yeah.
on top.
Okay. Yeah, like so.
Yeah. Put on the pot, fire up on the top. Right? So, yes. Fire is on the top now.
Yeah, people. Potato pudding now.
Yeah, this is potato pudding.
Yeah.
So this is another coconut with shallot when it have they call it couscous on top of it. So because the ingredient is not enough, so I'm going to ask Brother Benny to also this coconut. Then I'm going to grate it and then I make a little more ingredients so we can put it on top of it and then we call it couscous.
And you grate the coconut, you just pour the meat in a heat. Into it like it. You bring across. Because a lot of people say when they bake the pudding, they love when the top wet.
Okay.
So they call it wet top.
Okay. That's something up on the top.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Alright.
You put the coconut now.
Yeah. Wow.
Coconut now, our grater.
Yeah, people.
Put in the
Grate the coconut now. Put on the top, what you say?
yeah.
Alright. So we do it, people. Jamaican style.
I don't want a lot of water in this because it's just the on the top. I want this to pour.
Yeah, people. So we're gonna check on the back, you know.
Because you have to check it very regularly, you know. Because
Yeah.
if you do not check it very regularly, it will burn. You understand me?
Yeah.
So when you say when you have bake anything here, you have to check it.
Oh, you have to check it. That's in a burner.
Yeah, you have to check it very regularly.
Yeah.
If you don't check it very regularly, it will burn.
Okay.
Understand? That means say when you check it very regularly. If anything, you can take out some of the coal out of the fire.
Yeah.
I do something with the fire to it. Well, the ingredients.
Yeah.
The ingredients, you have sweet potato, flour, sugar, cornmeal, and coconut.
Okay. I remember when you say we grate the coconut a while ago.
Yeah, you see grated coconut a while ago.
Yeah, and the potato grater too.
And the potato grater.
Yeah.
You understand? Nutmeg, egg, cinnamon, vanilla.
Okay.
You understand? So all of those are the ingredients you put into it. That's the spice.
Yeah, the spice.
Spice.
To make it, yeah.
Yeah.
Need that flavor. As you can see, people when you turn down low, you know, burn. Yeah, people, we're gonna see what going on now, you know. Yeah, man. Easy. We don't want to burn, no.
No, you can't make it burn.
Yeah.
If you low it,
So we have to always check funny, you see it?
that's the connect.
Yeah.
That's it not burn.
Yeah. So we're going, people.
That's the color.
Yeah, man, it's a fish color, you know. Alright. So So you say the main reason this step on the top?
Yes.
Have to make sure say you catch the top.
You catch the color. The top catch the color.
Okay, okay.
Because the bottom, you find at the bottom, it move, it both a work at bottom and it a work at top.
Okay.
You understand? Because the fire down at bottom a work and the top one a work.
And once you can see it turn up too high, is it? You're up on a low level.
Yeah, you have to have it on a low level.
Yeah.
You have to have it to put in that thing where you can't rush it.
Yeah.
You have to take your time to bake it. Because if you rush it, it'll go burn.
It'll go burn, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Yeah,
Back
people.
on it again.
Yeah, check back the pot again.
Yes, because we're going to put on the coconut now. On it.
It'll come
This we
good
call
now.
the couscous, some people call it.
Okay.
Couscous.
Yeah.
So that's how we do it, you know.
Yeah.
Viewers.
Something up on the top, is it?
Yes. So
Check out
we're
now.
just going to take do it like this, step by step.
Yeah.
Stage by stage.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when it finishes, you will see.
Yeah, the result.
Yes.
Alright, so we are going to check back on it now, people.
Check back on it to see what it is going.
Wow, it'll come on.
Yes, brother Benny.
Yeah, man, it'll come.
The color is pretty.
Yeah.
That's how we do it, people.
Color very, very pretty, man. Very
That's
good.
how we do it. Here in Portland. Somebody came up from the other side here. So this came like this to make the pudding nice.
Boy. That one, see? Boy.
Alright, the purpose out of this now.
Yeah, gini ako. Ito kumukul. Understand?
Okay.
Cause I'll do me no want the coal if you go down. See?
Yeah.
If you go down. See how we keep the top more, keep the top lively. Yeah. Okay, so keep it lively. That means when you're playing this now, when you're catch now, you just put it out more. You understand?
Yeah, yeah. When it catch up, spread it out more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep it lively.
Yeah.
When you take up a while ago, it's like one side want more, some more fire. So you have to just make this ketchup on.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Side and you can have,
Yeah, funny, yeah.
So as soon as you ketchup now, just put out some more.
Yeah. Alright, people.
Yeah.
So about how long now we are doing it for? About an hour?
Yeah, from 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
So maybe this now finish about until about 9:30.
Okay. Yeah, man, it's a come on, people. Good, man. Woo! Yeah, man, I hit. Yeah, man, it's a come on.
Come on.
Yeah, people, it's a
Yes,
come on.
brother Bennett and Dexter need. This is this. What do you call it, brother Bennett?
Sauce.
And I call it couscous.
It is a crust.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people when they make pudding.
Yeah, this
They
is
like
a niceness.
Yeah, they like this when they top wetty.
Enough dry.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yes, brother Penny, this must be tasty. Let me touch here so we little.
Yeah,
When you're doing the pudding
yeah,
and you take time, put the juice on it like this,
yeah,
it gives and very nice, you know,
yeah.
eating and
Yeah, 'cause the color.
it cook and it well cook. It don't dry out.
Yeah, the color look nice, you know.
Yeah, and it don't dry out.
Yeah, man. Color look nice, man.
It don't dry out.
Yeah.
Wow.
This monitor come.
Yes, sir. It's looking good.
Yeah, man. Look good, man.
Looking real good. Let me put a little more of the ingredients on it and then that's it for it. The little ingredients will finish it up.
Last, yeah, put something on top.
Yes, this will finish it up. I think this will finish it up. Let me take off some of the oil.
What kind of ingredients is that again? The coconut?
Yeah, the coconut juice.
Okay.
So this is, that's why it have this creamy looking on it, and it gave the pudding this lovely look.
Yeah.
It more tasty
Yeah.
when we do it like this. Although everybody do their things different, but that's the way how I love it. Yeah. Let's see, let me put just a little touch of what the ice is. And then all the little I put a little here is because the heat is right here, because the coal is right there. So the heat is on my hand. I should have a knife to test it. So let me get a knife to see how close it is to finish. Test it now to see how far it reached, to see if it is on the finishing. I believe it's on the finishing touch now. So that is cocoa. I just want to replace the tin on.
Oh. Wow, wanna see what I'm going, people?
Yes, people. So I'm going to test it here, so just get a little. So we use the knife to see if it bake. So it looks like it is ready. When it's dry, come up like this, yeah, I know that it is ready. So I'm going to get this knife, clean off. This is a clean towel, so I'm going to clean it off, and then I test somewhere else to be sure. Well,
Yeah.
yes, people, it is ready, but I'm going to just leave the zinc, which is the little coal, a little fires on it. So I'm just going to leave it on it, and when everything come down to coal and out, then I can take it off and bring it inside. But as you can see, just a little black right here. That's not bad. Just here. So when we're slicing it, then we can just remove that little piece. It's not bad.
Yeah. Right.
So it finished. We are on the finishing touch now. And I'm really sorry that Dexter wasn't here from the starting so that he could have everything. But I can give you a little of how we prepare the pudding. First of all, we blend the coconut, I and my daughter. Blend the coconut, and then I grated the sweet potato, and my daughter sweetened the coconut milk. She put sugar. If we're doing a 5-pound sweet potato, depends on how you want the sweetness. So she put about 1.5 pounds of sugar and a little touch of nutmegs and vanilla and all the it's time now.
Yeah, we are gonna check it back now,
Yeah.
people, to see what I go and feed it.
Oh yes, it is ready now, so I can take it off.
Yeah, man.
And the time is now. Dexter, let us hear the time. Here, people, I'm going to hold the fire. Here, see, can't go to my bed and leave this outside because many times we listen to the news and these little things allow houses to burn down and people to die. House burn down, burn up everybody.